You know, people ask me a lot of times, hey Sawdust Dude, what's the best vehicle to use in residential construction? Well, got a couple options for you here. You can always use something like this great Ford XLT F-250 Super Duty truck with all the flies all over it. Look at all those flies, oh my goodness. These trucks are really cool because they're really handy. The F-250, good 3/4 ton truck, is great for towing capacity. Of course, you got the toolbox in the back here. You can throw your tools back there. The downside, oh yeah, and one other thing, the 4x4, that always comes in handy on some of the job sites. The downside of it is, you know, a lot of time if you ever ridden with any contractor and you get in a passenger seat, the floorboard's always full of tools and old Red Bull cans and things like that. But downside of it is, yeah, people will steal stuff out of the back of your truck, and two, if it rains, they're gonna get wet. Hey, another option is this, and it's probably one of my favorites, is the GMC 2500 series work van. I love these work vans because they're really good. They keep your tools inside, they keep them nice and dry. You can even put cabinets in here, and I got my tape measures and all this stuff. How about this little rack here? I like this set up with all my DeWalt batteries here. Yeah, they kind of click in and out. Of course, you got strap downs you can always use. Downside of this, when people see a white work van coming down, every homeschooling, the mom grabs their kids and goes, stranger danger, look out everybody. Let's just say this, maybe these vehicles are out of your budget, and or maybe you've made some questionable life decisions, like too many DUIs or suspended driver's license. How do you get to the job site? I got you hooked up. That's right. Just go to an estate sale and find Nana's scooter. Hey, you can get to work that way. Hey, remember, when you get to work, even if it's on a scooter.